Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to fix Ubisoft Connect error Dolphin-028 on your Windows. As you can see currently, I'm on a web page known as tools.com. It does have a whole guide to it, so let's get into it. So basically, the Dolphin-028 error in Ubisoft Connect prevents users from moving past the login screen, displaying a persistent restart message in a continuous loop, and the exact message reads, "There was an error during your login to Ubisoft Connect. Please restart your client and try again." Right here below, as you can see, this is the picture that comes up. If they gave us a picture of what exactly you see right here. And this basically occurs when the launcher cannot establish a stable connection with Ubisoft servers. And in most common confirmed cases, it is caused by a server-side outage or maintenance, often acknowledged on Ubisoft support pages. Moreover, if you scroll down right here, you will see the guide that they gave us right now, that what you could do to make that issue fixed. So the first one, as you can see, they did mention to run Ubisoft Connect as an administrator. So basically, you have to running the launcher with administrator privileges ensures that it has unrestricted access to network and system files and firewall exceptions. Without these permissions, background processes necessary for connection may be blocked. So to do this, you have to right-click the Ubisoft Connect shortcut and select Run as Administrator. And to make this permanent, you go to Properties and then Compatibility and enable the Run this program as an administrator. As you can see right here, you right-click and this is going to open up right here. You have to click on Run as Administrator. And then you go ahead and launch Ubisoft Connect and confirm whether the login loop has stopped. The second way is to reset your Ubisoft password and refresh the login token. So basically, when you reset your password, you can resolve this issue right here with authentication session has expired or your account was temporarily frozen due to multiple login attempts. And this action refreshes your login session and may restore access. So first, you go to the Ubisoft official website and then you log to your Ubisoft account. As you can see right here, this is the interface of the Ubisoft account. You put in your password and your email address, and then you go ahead and click your profile icon in the top right corner and select account management, just like right here. And then you navigate to the security tab. If you're going to see something like this, you have to click on security and then you click change under the password section. You simply click here and then you go ahead and change your password. You'll receive a password reset link at your registered email address. And after resetting your password, you enable two-factor authentication. You simply return to the security tab and you click activate under two-step verification, as you can see right here. And then you select the email address where you want to receive verification codes, and you enter the received code and you click submit. One important note that they mentioned here is that sign out of Ubisoft Connect on any other PCs first and then save your recovery codes in case you lose access to your chosen email address. And then you sign back into Ubisoft Connect on this PC to see whether Dolphin-028 has cleared or not. Way 3 basically tells you to sync your system clock and change to a reliable time server. So Ubisoft Connect uses time-sensitive secure tokens for secure logins. So these tokens automatically expire after a short period of time, period to protect against unauthorized access. Moreover, if your system clock is not in sync with the server, even by a few seconds, the token may become invalid and cause the Dolphin-028 error. So what you have to do is you have to basically go ahead and right-click the clock in the taskbar and click Adjust Date and Time. And then you'll see something like this right there. And you click Sync Now to resynchronize your clock with the Windows time server, just like this. And then you restart your Ubisoft Connect and attempt to log in again. If this doesn't work, your default time server may be unstable. You switch to an IST server for better accuracy. So you open Control Panel, you go on Clock and Region, Date and Time, and then you go ahead to the Internet Time tab and click Change Settings. Just right here, as you can see, they gave you like a picture-based information. You go ahead and click on Change Settings, and then you enter time just like that as a server and click Update Now. You simply put the time just right here, and then you go ahead and click Update Now and OK. Once you click OK, you have to go ahead and try logging in again. Moreover, the way number 4 tells us to use a mobile hotspot to bypass local network blocks. So connecting through a mobile hotspot can help bypass router or ISP level restrictions that interfere with Ubisoft Connect. So it creates a clean connection path using a different network, which can confirm whether the issue is with your existing Wi-Fi setup. And they gave us a pro tip here. If the issues with a computer or a laptop or a notebook, you should try using Fortech Repair, which can scan the repositories and replace corrupt and missing files. This works in most cases where the issue is originated due to a system corruption, and you can download Fortech by clicking here, of course. So basically, you connect your phone to the PC via USB and enable mobile data. You go to settings on your phone and search for mobile hotspot. You enable the USB tethering or Ethernet tethering, and then your PC should detect the mobile data as a network, and you simply connect that. If Ubisoft Connect logs successfully, your main network is likely causing the problem. You reconnect to the Wi-Fi and try the following. You restart your router and refresh the routing and clear cache. You temporarily disable VPNs or proxies before launching Ubisoft Connect. Moreover, lastly, they have a way 5, which is to switch to a public DNS server, which should be Google or Cloudflare. If your current DNS server is misconfigured or experiencing days, switching to a public DNS like Google or Cloudflare can fix the error by improving the name, resolution, and connection stability. So what you have to do is you have to right-click the internet icon in the taskbar and select Open Network and Internet Settings, and then you click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi depending on your connection, just right here as you can see. And then what you have to do is you have to go to under related settings, you select change adapter options. Right here as you can see, it will give you this option. And then you're going to go down, you're going to right click your active connection, you go to properties, you select IPv4 and click properties again. And then you select use the following DNS server addresses and enter. This right here as you can see, this is what you will see on your end here. You simply have to go ahead and click what you're seeing on the screen right now, and that will be basically it for your end. And once you do carry out all these steps, then you open an elevated command prompt and you run this command and enter, or simply reconnect to the Wi-Fi, then launch Ubisoft Connect to check if the error persists. So these are some steps where you can actually go ahead and fix this issue with Ubisoft Connect where you see the error Dolphin-028. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.